Hi, my name is Eloise and I'm a student in Technology of Architecture at Montmorency College. I'm actually at my third year of 4 in this program. In my program, we need to make plan, elevation, and cuts. AutoCAD allowed me to make this. Few years ago, students were supposed to do this by hand, but now AutoCAD helps us to make this easier and faster. This is an example of what a ground floor plan in AutoCAD looks like. This is an example of what a site plan in AutoCAD looks like. This is an example of what an elevation in AutoCAD looks like. And this is an example of what a cut in AutoCAD looks like. At the bottom of the screen in the middle, you have the command bar. This is really important for the tool I will present you after this. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the rotate icon. Select what you want to rotate and click on the item. You need to select a rotate point to rotate the square. Now you just have to click to choose the position of the square. This tool can be useful when you have a door type and you need to put it in a sense. In the top right corner of the screen, there is the measure menu. In this menu, you can select 5 types of measure: distance, radius, angle, area, and volume. In architecture, we don't use volume because all drawings we do are in 2 dimensions. For the distance one, you need to select it. Choose the line you want to measure and click at the bottom end. The distance will be written above the command bar. If you want to measure another distance, you need to press Enter. For the radius, you need to select it and click on a circle. The radius and the diameter will be written above the command bar. If you want to measure another angle, you need to press Enter. For the angle, you need to select it and click on the lines who form the angle. The angle will be written above the command bar. If you want to measure another angle, you need to press Enter. For the area, you need to select it and select the corner of the form you want to have the area. After this, press Enter to have the area. It will be written above the command bar. If you want to have another area, you just need to press Enter. All these things serve when you have to know if all is correct. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the mirror icon. This can serve if you want to make a double door. Select the item you want to double. After this selection, to click on the mirror icon. Now you have to select a point of rotation for the mirror item. Now you just have to choose the direction of the mirror item. And like this, you have a double door. Thank you to have watching me and have a good day.